Let's be very honest. Most times, a lot of content creators will come here and tell you that, oh, in just 2 months, in just 3 months, 5 months, I got my channel monetized. In fact, me myself, in just 2 months, I got my second channel monetized. Do you understand? Now, the thing is, you start asking yourself, okay, what is it that I'm not doing right? I'm uploading consistently, I'm editing my videos well. Let me tell you, it's not like you're not smart, it's not like you're not doing the right thing. The problem is your niche sometimes. Okay, now 3 days ago I posted this particular video on how much YouTube paid me for as low as 400 views, 300 views, less than 1000 views, and I got a lot of DMs on my Instagram, my WhatsApp. People were asking me, oh Glory, how did you do it? What country do you stay in? What's the CPM, the RPM? The truth is, if you actually want to get monetized fast and also get good money from YouTube, your niche is very important. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you high paying niches. I mean, niches that have high CPM. I'm going to tell you exactly what to do on those niches, and also, most importantly, I'm also going to tell you niches that you need to avoid. Now, there are some niches that if you go into them, you can get monetized in 1 month, in 2 months, but when you get to that monetization threshold, there are two things involved. It's either you do not get monetized, or they monetize you and after like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month, they demonetize you. Do you understand? I've gotten a lot of messages on that. So today's video is going to open your eyes to a lot of things. You're stepping into 2026 with clarity. If you're looking to open a second channel, this is really going to help you. Okay. Hi and welcome. If this is your first time meeting me, I'm Glory C, and on this channel I help both small and new content creators to grow the right way on YouTube by telling you mistakes to avoid and also strategies that you want to imbibe so you can quickly get your channel monetized and organically. Okay, so if this sounds like something you want for your own channel, I will encourage you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Like I would always say, it's free of charge. And do not forget to give us a big thumbs up on this one so you can get to a lot more content creators like us. With that being said, let's get into it. Now, before we go further, let me explain some terms to you so that you do not get confused in the course of this video. Okay, the first thing is you need to understand what CPM and RPM is. Now, CPM means cost per mille, and this is how much advertisers actually pay YouTube. Now, RPM is revenue per mille, and this is how much YouTube then pays you after it takes its own cut, usually 45%. So let's assume on your own channel your RPM is $10, and maybe on a video you get 1000 views. Definitely your revenue is going to be $10. Do you understand? And maybe you have 10,000 views and your RPM is what, maybe $5. You are going to be getting what, $50 in revenue. Do you understand that simple mathematics? Now, at the end of this video, I'm going to be giving out a very big news. You do not want to miss out on that. Okay, now the very first high paying niche we're going to be talking about is personal finance and investment. This is very hot. Now, this is where you talk about saving money, investment, crypto, credit card, budgeting, and the reason this one is actually very good, very high, is you see banks, you see fintech apps and organizations like that, they usually have a high advertising budget. That means they pay highly to place ads on YouTube videos. Do you understand? And their CPM is usually between $15 to $50, while their RPM is from $8 to $15. So you can imagine how much you're going to be getting per 1000 views in revenue. And even when you get lesser than 1000 views, you're still going to make a lot of money. Do you understand? Now, some video titles in this type of niches, maybe how to invest your first $100, or 7 passive income ideas that actually work. Do you understand? Now, one thing is, you don't actually need to be rich or have all of this money before you talk about this. You want to just share your own real life lessons, your own real experiences based on your research, what you've seen so far, and that's it. You're good to go. Now, the next high paying niche is the digital marketing or the make money online niche. Now, this is where you talk about side hustles, affiliate marketing, search engine optimization, that's SEO, social media growth. Do you understand? So now, the reason this one is actually high is the viewers of this type of niches, of this type of videos, they are willing to buy tools, they are willing to buy softwares, courses, services. So advertisers are willing to pay hugely to place ads on those videos. Now, the CPM is usually from $12 to $25, while the RPM is from $7 to $12. So you can imagine how much you're going to be making. Now, examples of some video titles in this niche is maybe how I was able to build my online business from $0 or from 0 naira. Do you understand? Or there's this particular video that has been circulating on YouTube about a particular lady who was able to, generate 6 million naira from just creating reels in 2025. I'm going to place it up here. So videos like that, they actually do very well in terms of revenue. And then the good thing about this particular niche is you can easily sell courses. At the end of the day, you can sell services, you can sell tools, brands can work with you. Very, very important if you want to make money very well on YouTube. Now the next high paying niche on YouTube is actually real estate. All my real estate fans, come around. It is actually very underrated on YouTube, this particular niche. And the things you can actually talk about are things like topics like house tours, property investments, mortgage tips, renting versus buying. Now, the good thing about this one is you see just one buyer, one person that would buy maybe a house is worth thousands and thousands of dollars to advertisers. Now, video titles in this niche is maybe 5 cities where you can buy a rental property under $100,000, or how you can get your first rental property with $0 down. Do you understand? So things like this, even if you're not an agent, you're not a real estate agent, you can just make your own research and then explain to people. You are just dishing out value to people. So now the next one is actually a very juicy one, and this is where you talk about tech, AI, business software, and this one is booming in this year 2025. In fact, me myself decided to gravitate towards that. That was what I actually changed into on my second channel, and you see how that I was showing you how much they paid me for 300 views, for 400 views. That's because it's a very good niche. And this is where you talk about AI tools, productivity apps, software tutorials, app comparisons. You compare different apps. Now the reason this one actually pays very well is because you see all these software companies, they actually want people who will be subscribing to their platforms, to their apps or their tools every month or every year. And if you know, most of these AI tools, most of them, if you really, really want to enjoy them, you need to subscribe to their premium version. That is the truth. Most of them. So advertisers are willing to pay very highly to place ads on such videos. Now the CPM for this particular niche is from $8 to $18, while the RPM is from $5 to $10. And some video titles in this niche are maybe 5 AI tools that will do 80% of the work for you, or you compare two apps, maybe like between Slack and Microsoft Teams, which is better. And the good thing about this one is you can even run them on faceless styles. Okay, if you notice on my own second channel, most of the time I just do screen recordings. The only time I show my face is at the beginning, where I tell you, oh, this is what I want to tell you into this video, where I just introduce myself. Aside that, I go faceless. So it's very, very easy. Now the next high paying niche I'm going to talk about before I go into niches that you must avoid at all costs is the high end health and wellness niche. Now you don't want to just talk about general health, you want to talk about premium wellness. Now, this is where you talk about mental health, morning routines, supplements, wellness tech, biohacking. And the reason this one actually pays well is, you see, health brands, therapy apps, all of those things, they always target audience like this because they know that eventually you are going to want to pay for their apps, for their softwares. Now the CPM for this particular niche is from $7 to $15, while the RPM is from $4 to $8. Okay, and examples of video titles in this niche is maybe my 5 minutes morning routine for mental clarity, or maybe 5 science backed tips for mental clarity or to boost energy, stuff like that. Do you understand? So you need to make a lot of research, ensure you are well educated so that you can explain the right thing to your audience in this niche. Now let's move into niches that you should avoid at all costs. It will shock you to know that there are some niches you would go into, 1 million views can give you 0 revenue. That's the thing. There are some niches that they have a very high copyright risk. There are some niches that at the end of the day, when you apply for monetization, you will get rejected. So just avoid them and face other high paying niches. Face other niches that would do you well. Do you understand? And give you money for your value on YouTube. Now, one niche you must at all costs avoid is reaction niche. Most times, this particular niche has a high copyright risk, especially when you just put people's, because you're using people's videos. Do you understand? You are reacting to people's videos. And if you are not very sure how to use or how to edit these types of videos, you are at risk of getting copyright issues. Another niche you want to avoid is the gaming niche that has no commentary. Raw gameplay has very low CPM. I mean, their CPM is from like $1 to $3. Imagine CPM being $1 to $3. How much will RPM be after YouTube has already taken its own cuts? The only time you can even do very well in the gaming niche is maybe you already have a huge fan base from maybe another platform and you're directing them into YouTube. The next one is what? Children's content, those contents that are made for kids. Now, the reason is this particular content actually has very low earnings, and then they have strict rules. Aside that, they have limited ads, and because they have limited ads, it's going to affect the revenue on those particular videos. So the next niche you want to by all means avoid is the compilation niche. When you're compiling TikTok videos, memes, I mean, it's already known news on YouTube that this particular niche, the risk is just too high. A lot of people get rejected when they get to the monetization threshold. Do you understand? And then you also want to avoid niches that are very controversial. You're talking about celebrities, especially when you're talking about them in a light that's not so good. Most times those niches, they just have a very high copyright risk, so avoid them by all means. Don't just put in your data, investment, effort into creating something that at the end of the day you're not going to get paid for it, except if you're just doing it for fun. Okay, basically you want to go for a niche that you can enjoy. You want to go for a niche that you can actually stay consistent with. Do you understand? You want to go for a niche that people are searching for. Interest plus demand equals the sweet spot on YouTube. And the good thing about YouTube is it's one of the best or high paying platforms that can actually build you good influence and income. Okay, and even if you're getting low views but you stay consistent doing the right thing, the results will eventually come. Now, the good news I said I was going to share is I just hit 20,000 subscribers. And to celebrate this, I'm going to be hosting a free live Q&A session on our Telegram group. Okay, so the link to that Telegram group is in my description box. Come ask me your burning questions about YouTube. You don't want to miss this one. Trust me. Bye bye.